When I was a beginner, my painting always looked flat and boring. I struggled with this for a long time until I discovered one key principle that made everything click. In this video, I'll share that principle with you. Watch till the end, and you may be surprised how much it can improve your paintings. Highlight, mid-tone, and shadows. These are the three key elements that give our objects its sense of depth and form. Let me break it down and show you how they work together to make your painting look more realistic. I'd like to use this black and white photo of an egg to show you how these three elements work together to create tonal values. When light hits an object like these eggs, it starts to look three-dimensional. And this 3D effect comes from three areas: highlight, mid-tone, and shadows. This term describes different tonal values on an object. Highlight are the area where the light hits directly. Mid-tone are areas that are still in the light, but not as bright. And shadows are the darkest area, where the light is completely blocked. Together, these three elements create a sense of form and depth that we see with our eyes. A great way to practice this concept is by painting a simple object using just one color. Monotone painting helps you focus on values without being distracted by colors. When I first started learning to paint, I didn't really understand how light and shadow work. For example, earlier Pear painting, I simply filled in yellow and green because I knew that was the Pear snow color. I added a darker shadow underneath, thinking that was enough, but the painting still looked flat, more like an illustration. The problem was that I ignored the gradual value changes that create a rounded form. After I understood how highlight, mid-tone, and shadow work together, my painting improved a lot. Using this Pear painting as an example again, I pay much more attention to value structure. I spent more time building the dark values and used different colors to do that. For the mid-tones, I used yellow ochre and terravert. For the shadows, I mixed in dark color like burnt umber and to deepen the tone. I also carefully left the white paper for the highlight areas. For the darkest shadow, I mixed burnt umber, ultramarine, and terravert to create a gray-green tone. Since the main light source comes from the upper left, the mid-tone appears almost on the upper left and the lower area of the pear. Because the pear has a rounded shape, the value gradually gets darker towards the turning edge. To show the turning form, I built up multiple layers, which is a very important watercolor technique. You can find a full video about watercolor layering on my channel. Now, this painting has clear highlight, rich mid-tone, and deep shadows. The pear finally looks round, solid, and three-dimensional. I hope you can apply this principle for your own painting process. Once you start paying attention to the values, your work will look much more realistic. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and enjoy your painting journey.